Hello and welcome back to our training where we talk about how you can get more done in less time using the power of Prosperity Central. And on today's training, we're going to continue talking about the lead funnel. We're going to talk about lead capture pages, and more specifically, we're going to talk about how to create a custom notification email that goes out automatically after somebody fills out one of your capture pages. But before we get into the training, once again, my name is Jeff Osnes. I am your host. I'm going to be walking you through this training. And on this channel, we focus on the Prosperity Central system, which is a system that was built specifically for the network marketing industry, people in network marketing. However, anyone in sales can take advantage of it, but it was primarily built for the network marketing industry to help you manage, organize, and follow up with your prospects. It is a CRM and marketing tool designed to help you be more efficient and effective at your prospecting. Now, if you are not in network marketing or not in sales, please take a moment now to share this video with somebody you know who is in network marketing or is in sales, so that they can start taking advantage of this powerful system. Now let's go ahead and get into our training. All right, so like I mentioned, we're going to be continuing to talk about lead capture pages and the lead funnel, and more specifically, we're going to be talking about the notification email that gets sent after somebody fills out the capture page. So let's jump back over to my website, and we're going to go to lead capture page options. And just like our last training, we're going to go down and we're going to just pick any capture page, and we're going to go into the capture page options. Within the capture page options, there's several options, right? There's several things you can adjust, and one of those options is the notification that is sent to a contact after they complete the form, after they fill out the capture page. And by default, the system has a notification that goes out automatically. So you don't have to do anything with this notification section. This is just for you when you're really starting to refine your funnel. Now remember, in the early stages of your business or the early stages of setting up and configuring and using your account, you shouldn't be messing around with these settings. You should be focused on adding contacts to your account daily, following up with your contacts on a regular basis based off of the call outcomes and the conversations you're having with those prospects. But every day you should do a little bit more to continue to configure and refine your process or processes that you're using to drive prospects to your account, to follow up with prospects that you've already got in your account. So all of the things that we're going to be covering are not things that you should do all at once. You shouldn't sit down and spend 30 days just focused on building out and customizing your account. You should be driving contacts to your account. You should be adding contacts to your contact manager. Now that I've got that out of the way, let's go ahead and talk about the notification options. Like I said, the system comes with one by default, and every capture page by default is configured to use the system default. Now you have the option of disabling notifications and or choosing different notifications that are already pre-built by the system. And then of course, what we're going to talk about today is the create your own option. So we're going to click on create your own. This will take us to the Manage Notifications page where we can add our own notifications to the system. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the Add New Notification. And we're going to give it a name. And as an example, I'm going to give this one a display name of Facebook Ad 1. Now imagine you're creating a funnel, a specific advertising funnel that has a specific ad that's going to be displayed on Facebook. So you have this specific ad in mind that's going to drive traffic to a capture page. Now that capture page should contain in the content the same tone, the same type of content that that advertisement had that drove that person to the capture page. Now after they fill out the capture page, you want them to get a notification that is also very relevant, very tone specific to the funnel they just came through. So you want to name your notifications based off of that funnel they're going to be going through. You probably want to name the capture page based off of that funnel, right? So all of this stuff that we're talking about, that we're going through, are things that you're going to be taking advantage of as you're creating different funnels or different pipelines to drive prospects to your account. A little description to help me know or remind myself what this is about. Type of contact, this is a prospect notification. And we're going to go ahead and create the notification. This is what the prospect will actually see. So we've got the subject, That's the subject line of the email, and then the content. Once again, we've created lots of emails already in the training, so hopefully you've already watched those trainings, but if you haven't, we're going to go over kind of the basics of how to create an email in the system. So the first thing is the subject. Now in this particular case, I'm keeping the subject line fairly generic. However, if I know that this is only going to be used for specific people who've come through that Facebook ad, then I could potentially even reference that in the subject line to help get more people to open that email so they will know for sure why they're receiving that email, right? We want to make sure when we send an email that we have the best chance of them opening that email. So you could do something like, in regards to the request you made on Facebook, something like that. But like I said, I'm going to keep this fairly generic here, and we're going to jump down to message content. So this is the actual body of the email when they open it up, what they're going to read when they open the email up. So we're going to start off by merging in their name. And then we're going to go ahead and insert a link back to the marketing site. Lots of different options in this particular case. We haven't talked about it yet, but Smart Sender is where we can build out kind of like micro websites, trackable attachment type stuff where we can have a video and multiple things that they can access, like a package of stuff that they can go and pick up and have access to. But in this particular case, just sending them back to the main Prosperity Central marketing site homepage. That's where they watch the video and click to learn more. And then I'm going to go ahead and close it out with my signature, and we're going to save the notification. And that's it. Our notification has now been created. It's been added to our system. And so now if we go back to the My Website tab, we go back to lead capture page options, we can open up any one of our capture pages, right? It doesn't matter which capture page. We can now assign this notification to any one of our capture pages because it'll be listed as a notification option right here. So we just make that update and then save changes. Now in this case, I don't actually want to use that on that specific capture page or anything like that. So I'm going to leave it as is, and I'm not going to worry about saving it. But anyway, I hope that makes sense. We're going to go ahead and close out our training for today. Once again, Prosperity Central is here to help you boost sales and growth. It's a super simple system that helps you present your opportunity, organize your contacts, track your contact activity so you know who to focus on and when to focus on them. And of course, we can't forget about the 2-tier affiliate program that's built into the system to help you build a second income stream by helping your team take advantage of tools they should be using anyway to build their organization. The system is mobile friendly, so anywhere you have access to the internet, you are in business. And price? Well, let's talk about price. There are 3 account levels. We have the basic account level. It is free for life. This is so that you can give everybody on your team access to Prosperity Central so they can have access to any content that you are sharing and any training that you are creating within the system. It's designed to make sure that you always have a hub for all of your organization to go to make sure that they're plugged into your content. Now, for those people who are looking to actually grow their business and actually build a business, they should be at the professional level. It's $24.95 a month, gives them everything they need to manage, organize, and follow up with their prospects. Now, of course, you should have the Premier account. It's $49.95 a month. That gives you everything you need to manage, organize, and follow up with your prospects, plus the ability to share content with your organization, the ability to create training within the system so everybody on your team will know exactly what you're doing to have success, making you a truly duplicatable leader in the industry. Now, if you do not have an account, you need to go to prosperitycentral.biz. Once again, prosperitycentral.biz, that's my affiliate link. Go there, set up your Prosperity Central account today so that you can start getting more done in less time using the power of Prosperity Central. Bye for now, and happy prospecting.